No birthday gift from BF, but $128 on chicken. I'm 20, my boyfriend's 25, together for a year. My birthday just passed. He took me to a fast food dinner, not fancy, which I appreciated since he's unemployed. No gift, no Instagram story post. He's never posted me. I figured he was saving money. Days later, he bragged about spending $128 on high-protein gym chicken meals. It hurts. He could have done something small, thoughtful. I'm planning his birthday gift to make him feel special, but I feel unvalued. Am I overthinking, or are my feelings valid?